Here is how you can unlock any Steam achievement. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and shows how to manage Steam achievements on your own library. This isn't for online or competitive games. First, open any browser you have and search for Steam Achievement Unlocker. Then click on the GitHub link. I will put it in the description. Scroll down and click on Download Latest Release. Then click on the first option to download the zip file. After downloading the file, open it and create a new folder on your desktop. Drag the files from the zip folder into the new folder and open it. Now you need to open Steam. Then open SAM Game so the software can recognize the games you have in your library. Wait for it to complete. Here you will see all the games you have and the achievements you unlocked. Now open Sam Picker and choose the game you want to get the achievements for. Click on it and choose the achievement by checking the box next to it. Then click on Commit Changes. As you can see, the achievement is unlocked. Don't forget to like and subscribe.